Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovey Life, and my channel is basically vlogging about my journey as a stay-at-home caregiver, which includes a variety of things such as my daily routines, my house projects, outings, and of course, gardening. Gardening is truly my happiest place. So today I want to share a rare DIY project with you guys. I want to share how I made a Dollar Tree strawberry crate tower. Because let's face it, it's on a budget and it's Dollar Tree. I've grown successful strawberries in containers before that grew back over and over time again, but this year I was inspired by YouTuber gardener Callie Kim 29's video, which I will link down below. This year I want to try the sweet and large seascape, and I also want to plant the chandler to propagate and fill in my crates as I go. A variety would be best, I thought, so I have strawberries throughout the spring and summer season. I spotted these small Sterlite stacking crates at Dollar Tree. They are 9 1/4 inches long, 7 3/4 inches wide, and 6 1/4 inches in height. Using my pruners to make it easier to cut the plastic crate, I cut 4 sides to a group of 4 holes accordingly. You can determine your own layout so there's enough room for the strawberry plants to grow. Keep in mind there are 2 additional sides of the crates you can cut into now or later when it's time to propagate. Now that we had cut our layouts to the crates, we are ready to use some weed block fabric that I had on hand. This will help keep the soil from running out of the crates when planting and during watering. I cut the fabric into 2 long strips, 1 strip of fabric here, and then overlaying the second here. A little extra to compensate over the sides because we can always cut the excess off after we plant our strawberries. If you're like me and would like to plant a few different types of strawberries, think about the best places in your tower that would make best sense. For example, my goal was to grow the chandler off the sides so they can dangle down. Keep the everberry and albion on the tops, but really with a tower, it doesn't really make a huge difference. I'm using a mixture of garden soil, compost, peat moss, and vermiculite. Now that I have my soil ready, it's time to give it some water and get to planting. Simply cut into the fabric as an X. Place the strawberry plant carefully through with the crown out. That's it, and keep planting around the crate. I was able to plant 15 strawberry plants in one tower of 3 crates to begin with, leaving room on both sides of the crates for propagating with the chandler runners. This is one tower. I repeated steps to make a second tower, stacking 3 more crates, thus making a total of 6 crates with 30 plants. Wowza, look at this. Ooh-wee, it really grew. It is definitely liking this. My towers are placed in full sun, part shade in the late afternoon, which to me is working. I water from the top crate in which the water efficiently runs down to the lower plants. After watching many YouTube gardeners, I bit the bullet and bought the worm casting tea fertilizer. I believe it enlarged the foliage and the flowers tremendously. I'm fertilizing every 2 weeks for now, and it seems they're really liking it. And then this is the second tower. Look at that. This year, my mom and husband are helping to create a garden in a small space. Our first strawberry.
I see you one right there.
Yeah? Yep. That's growing. Strawberries are looking great, you guys. I haven't harvested any of them yet, but look at all these strawberries coming around. Look at that. Got a beautiful flower on that one. Some more. I have some more hanging out right there. Ooh, that one looks good. Have another one right there. Some little baby ones. How exciting. So exciting. So, gotta say, this is definitely, I know I just gotta place some of the suckers. I'm gonna place them in one of these little holes here. Okay, our first harvest, strawberry.
Did you taste one already?
Nope, not yet. OMG. I've never tasted such sweet strawberries like these before. It's just amazing. I've kept several pre-cut openings for additional plants. To fill up these pre-cut holes in my crates, I was waiting for some shoots, or called runners, to produce a small growth at their end. I carefully ran the runner to an open nearby spot, placing the small growth into the soil with the crown out. I used a paper clip to secure the new plant until it produces its own root to secure itself, and grow another strawberry plant for me. So easy. Here is one of the very first plant that I successfully propagated, and just like that, I will fill up some more spots to produce more sweet and delicious strawberries. Here is another runner I planted more recently. I will cut the runner once it establishes its roots to secure itself. But it's pretty much that simple. Of course, if you want to produce more fruit on your plant, then definitely cut the runners off to produce more flowers, to produce more strawberries. So I'm proud to say we had 4 harvests thus far. Each one we get more and more fruit. I'm super excited. I hope you found this useful and inspires you to make your own Dollar Tree strawberry crate. I just love strawberries, and let's face it, nothing tastes sweeter and more delicious than growing your own strawberries.